Hey guys, and welcome back. So what I had to make here, and you can see this is a square. So what this is a picture frame, and it is box style, mission style. And you can see here it is. Here's the finished product. So some of the glue isn't quite dry, but how I did this was I cut these on my table saw. These came off of a pallet actually. From a pallet company. It's just rough sawn. So I just basically cut them to the widths that I wanted the header and the lower to be, and then I cut the sides the same width. And I believe this is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 by 3 1/4, and these are I'm gonna say I think they're 18. Hold on a second. Let me get my tape measure because I don't really remember. I just kind of eyeball stuff. I don't always measure. So I had it. My mom crocheted this, and she needed a frame for a friend of hers. So let's actually see what this is. Hold on a second, guys. Oh, okay. So it was about 18 1/4. Both of these are. So 18 1/4 in length to fit the crocheted end product inside there. So, and then I eyeballed the sides up, which is actually 3 1/4. Split the difference, and then I ripped the edge so that it would be a very straight edge to glue it. And let me show you the back side. So the channel for the picture frame, what I did was I ran the board through the table saw so it would notch out this edge here. You can kind of see. And then I went back and laid it flat so then it would cut that piece off. That's how I made the channel. It's kind of really simple to do. Now, if I was to make another one, I probably would stop, but this is actually the first one that I had in my brain to make because it's so simple. And then on the back side, to hold your artwork or whatever you want to put in your frame, I need diamond points, which I have to go to Ace Hardware to tack that in. And then what we did was we put double-sided sticky tape on the back side of this so it would stick to the blue matting that's behind there, which is a great idea because then it keeps whatever you have in there tucked, so then when it goes to hang it up it won't bow out or anything. So this is just a real rustic frame. It's really simple to do. If you have some old boards that are just kind of laying around, you can use it this way instead of making a I don't know, it's kind of like this cut. Instead of making this cut for your picture frame, I just did a straight cut because it's really simple. And then all you do is clamp it, glue it, and just use plain old wood glue. But I really like it. It looks really rustic. My mom made this for a friend of theirs, and they own a bar, and this is going to go above or behind the bar somewhere. I'm not really sure exactly where they're going to put it yet, but I promised my mom I would do it, and I needed to get it done. So finally, and then I just need to put a picture frame so that they can hang it, a little hangy thing. I can't remember what they're called on the back. So then that's it. Yep, real simple kind of frame, and that looks really good. Yeah, my mom made this for him, and she wanted me to make a frame, so yeah, looks really good. I really like how it looks. So there you go, guys. I just wanted to show you that quick, awesome making a picture frame. Really simple square cuts. You just make sure that you rip a straight line so that you can glue your edges, and voila, awesome. It looks really good. I'm really happy with that, and I really hope my mom likes it too. Thanks, guys, for watching. Appreciate it.